more. And that's it. We're done. The salmon is finished. Alright guys, so these are the ingredients you need for your salmon, your easy salmon. You're gonna need some salmon, of course. I bought this at Walmart. It's fresh, never frozen. I don't know how much it'll be, but usually it's like around 20 bucks. And I can meal prep, you know, I can use it multiple times. I also use 2 limes or lemons. Sorry, I'm Mexican. And then 3 limes. I like to get the juicy ones. So usually the ones that have like the smooth skin are the best. They're juicy. Also, I need a big ass garlic. And then I use this sea salt butter. The last thing is some extra garlic. I use organic. And some Himalayan salt. Some cilantro. A pan. Aluminum foil. And then my 2 utensils, which this kind of grinds. I bought it at IKEA. So you put the garlic in there. And then you kind of squeeze it, and then it comes out all nice and squeezed. And then this is to squeeze my lemons. I don't know what it's called. Lemon squeezer, I guess. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna grab my salmon, and I'm gonna do what every Hispanic does in their household, and I'm gonna clean this. Okay, I'm gonna wash this. I don't know what you people do out there with the salmon, just put the juices in there, but that's not me. Grab the foil as the salmon, like a long chunk. Okay, so then we're gonna put it on top of our pan. We are going to fold it up because our lemon's gonna go in there. And I kind of like to do this thing where I kind of fold it. So I like kind of go in and I fold it so it kind of covers the salmon. As you can tell, my pan's a little small, but that's okay. We're gonna get our salmon and we're gonna put it in the pan. So this is where the lemon's gonna go, inside there. So it's nice and moist. Next, we're gonna grab our lemons and we're gonna squeeze them. I usually squeeze them into something so I can mix the lemon and the lime together. Grab your little squeezer and start squeezing. Alright, so we squeeze the lemons. I like to double squeeze them sometimes. Get all the juices out. That's what he said. And we're just gonna kind of mix it. What I like to do is I like to grab my lemon and I just pour it all over my salmon. So if you did this right, your lemon should be staying inside and not on the outside. Kind of jiggle it in there. Because usually this part is the one that needs the most lemon. Next step, Himalayan salt, y'all. Greatest thing ever. And you're just gonna put salt in it. The next thing, you're gonna grab garlic powder. And you're just gonna spread it. You're gonna need this. You're gonna need the butter. Now, I usually use about 2 spoons. So I'll use this and this. So I'll use all of this. Sometimes I even use 3 spoons, depends on the day and how I'm feeling. So now I have my butter here. And this is good butter, y'all. It's like the pasture-raised butter, grass-fed, 85% butter fat, sea salt. So it's a good butter. We have our butter. And what you need to do is put it on your microwave. We're gonna set it for... We're gonna grab our butter. You know, in my microwave, something is floating in there. I haven't cleaned it. You're gonna start. After you do that, you're gonna gonna put it in here. I forgot a very important step here. You're gonna bake. So you're gonna bake at 400 degrees. So I'm just gonna start this. This is the very first step. I don't know why I forgot. So it's ready by the time you put everything in there. We're gonna grab our butter. We're gonna put it on our salmon. Be careful because it might be hot. Some people like it hot. Mix it with the knife because that's all I have at this moment. You know what? Let me get a spoon. There. You happy? It's not that much butter. So for all you people freaking out, oh my God, I can't eat butter. It's not that much. Trust me. So you're gonna grab this garlic and we're gonna peel it. Jesus Christ, this is huge. I'm gonna cut it a little bit because it's huge, y'all. It's like really big. I got this from IKEA. It has a hole in there. Obviously, I've used it a lot. See? And it has holes in it. You can buy your garlic already cut up if that's easier for you. But I like it fresh. So all you have to do is squeeze this, kind of like you squeeze your lemons and the garlic comes out. Let me show you. So what you do is you grab this garlic and you're gonna spread it all over your salmon. Now don't freak out if this actually turns green. It always does. So I'm gonna grab this little brush and I'm gonna just kind of spread it around. I'm gonna grab my second garlic and again I'm gonna squeeze. Basically, you're done. All you have to do is put this on the oven at 400 degrees. You're gonna put it in there for 15 to 20 minutes, depends on the consistency you like. The consistency I like is moist, so I will do maybe 17 minutes, depending on how big the salmon is. If it's really big, then I'll go with 20 minutes. Like this one, I'll probably just do 17 minutes. After you cook it for 17 minutes, you're gonna broil it for about 5 minutes. Now don't broil it more than 5 minutes because if you broil it more than 5 minutes, you're gonna have a burnt salmon. You don't want that, okay? Just telling you no, because it happened to me. Don't let it happen to you. My oven's ready. I'm gonna put my salmon in there. Now don't freak out, my oven's like kind of dirty right now. You're gonna put it, and I usually like to put it on top. Be careful so the lemon doesn't fall out. I usually put it on the top rack because remember we're gonna broil this. And I'm gonna put a timer for 17 minutes. Okay, so while that's cooking, you don't need that much. It's just for garnish. So I'll just say use like a little small bunch. Probably this much. What Mama said was, you need to wash this. See, my mom will probably tell you that's not enough. You need to put baking soda. You need to wash it with baking soda. Leave it in there for 30 seconds. Then you need to take it out. Then you need to rinse it again. But just don't tell my mom I did this. So we're gonna cut it. It's time to meet Coco. Sit. Good girl. She's waiting for this. Sit. Show everyone how good of a dog you are. Eat. See? She's such a good doggy. Look at that nice view. See Dallas over there? It's almost ready. Now it's time to broil it. Let me show you how to broil it if you've never broiled anything in the oven. And coming from the girl that burned Pop-Tarts. Yes, I burned Pop-Tarts. You know I did. Your girl almost burned the whole house down because of some Pop-Tarts. That's why I don't eat Pop-Tarts anymore. So it's done. Now we're just gonna hit this broil and then it's gonna say hi. You're just gonna put start. So I'm gonna do a timer, which is 5 minutes. Do not do more than 5 minutes. Your salmon will come out burnt. I'm telling you, it will come out burnt. As it is when you do this, it's gonna come out a little brown. Make sure that whenever you're doing this, like if you covered it a little bit, just make sure that during this step, you don't cover it. Get started. The final countdown. Maybe I did this too early. Let's do it again. The final countdown. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Your salmon's ready. It's ready, y'all. And remember I told you it's gonna get green? Let's stop it. All right, see what I talked to you about? It'll get a little brown. That's okay. It's not burnt. It tastes good. Salmon is finished. Or let's cut let's do like they do like in the shows, and let's show the pretty one that I made before. It's done. Now you can eat it, or you can share it, or you can just throw it in the trash, whatever you want.